forgot the technical name. But small tool, just what you have to do is you can even take a filer. I created grooves on all the children's, and I also gave them the tool to make grooves under their shoe, and they did not need a new shoe anymore. So inculcate these building habits, maker habits into your system. Now, how to bring art integration into school? That towards the end of the workshop, you have to sit with your team. So you create a team. This team will be comprised of non-art and art teachers. Art means music, PT teachers, physical training, like I said, visual art, etc., etc. The more number of teachers which are there, better. You choose a topic to be covered. For example, you say science ka, we take this XYZ topic to cover. Now everyone will give ideas. How can we, first you have to identify where does that topic connect to in your body? Where does that connect to nature? Where does that connect to how many mediums? So then you choose the appropriate medium for art and run the activity. Okay. So collaboratively you create the activity, and then you have to, once you run the activity, you have to collect data, you have to document through pictures, and you have to compare the data. Art integration does not mean that it can be a painting on the wall and nobody cares about it anymore. Each thing that you do in art integration has to be evaluated in numbers, because you cannot compare two paintings, you can compare numbers. Okay. This is the 3-point rubric how to evaluate. Say any XYZ content you want to give to the child. Okay. So the non-art thing is the explanation part, the fact part, like we talked about, the concept that the child is supposed to understand. That is the content part. That's the first part. Say I give sample weightage to it as 35. So that child will get 35 numbers out of 100 for content part. If he or she has understood it completely and there is no ounce of confusion, he or she gets 35 numbers. The product would be whatever the product, whether it was a painting or a physical model or a science model, that's a product, right? Now you get marks for how well you have made it. Okay, the beauty, the aesthetics, how well it works, they get 35 marks out of 100 for it also. The maximum is 35, lowest could be anything. Third is the process. You gave the problem and they came up with a solution. They have to write down or they have to say it either ways in a Viva. How did they go about it? Because the process shows you how the thinking metacognition works in a child. So process has another 30 marks of how did you go from point A when they received the problem to point B, which is the solution, the final product they made. And that you get 30 points. This will cover a huge range of children's intelligence in your system of grading, which also means a lot of children who were earlier using memory to deliver and get a good grades, suddenly they might not be getting good grades because of product and process, because they don't have a process or they don't know. So now everybody will come at the overall, the marks will come up of the school, but certain A students' marks will come down, and that's what you have to calculate. All right. So this is a 3-point rubric system. There is a much more complex, not complex in that sense, but multiple point rubric system, which can be used after you are well versed with art integration program, or after you have gone through art integration training through various mediums, through Milestone, through me, through different ways. Okay. Now, steps in achieving art integration quickly. There has to be a leadership approval and support. Unless the leadership, the trustees, the principal owners don't approve of it, it's very difficult. Art integration leadership team has to be created, okay, with roles and responsibility, who will take an overall view of where art integration program is going. Is evaluation happening? How are the activities? Which grade is performing well? You know, you can take learning from one grade, apply to another. This the particular grade teacher might not know. The leadership team will actually be taking it forward. So leadership team has to be very, not creative, but visionary in that sense. Art integration vision has to be created in a plan of action with ongoing steps. Clearly lay down the plan of action similar to what I've given you. Art curriculum development, balance non-art and art. Okay, that you have to sit down and do it. Ongoing professional learning and coaching, like I said, Milestone, me, etc. You have to, without hindrance with the ongoing teaching in school, you have to give training to your teachers, because you can't expect them to suddenly become good at art integration. Documentation, please take photographs, document. You have to start maintaining, learn the new platforms, which is learn Google Sheets and not Excel as such, because Google Sheet can be shared permanently, and whatever changes you do, all the teachers of your grade can receive it. So start working online instead of running after each other for files and performance grades and this and that. Start working on online platforms, because everything is online, and any given point of time you can access. The moment I'm done with evaluation for a particular child, I'll put the folder of the child online so everybody can access it. So document it, data, collect it, assess it, and ensure sustainability, which means a program running for half a year, 1 year is no good. You have to run it for multi-year, because art integration, like I said, it's not another thing you have to do. It's a multi-year commitment. Anything takes 3 years. A company takes 3 years to actually become self-sustainable. Similarly, anything. So it's an interdisciplinary approach. It involves physical, mental, cognitive, creative, every amount of emotional side of the child. Okay. Analysis, which means you need an analysis of how the children are performing before and after art integration, can only happen if you collect data in terms of numbers. Okay. STEAM is an example of art integration, as you have seen. So STEAM, like even then, there's still, different words will come in, different lingo will come in, right? But the thing is, the objective remains the same. The whole world has identified that we need a holistic form of learning, because there are multiple intelligence and not only one. So STEAM is only one aspect of art integration. Teachers need to practice to not be shy and come out bold. Young teachers will be easy to do. Older teachers might take some time. But the thing is, you have to practice. So practice with the children. If children are doing a play, sometimes you can participate with them. In fact, children will be a lot more motivated to engage if they see you also happily engaging. So art integration is not only for children, it's for you as well. It gives you a lot more expression and a lot more, what you do in a picnic, or what you do you can do a lot of other things while learning and evaluating. Develop friendly and patience for this. It will take time to get used to it, so have patience with children and your colleagues. Account for organizing and cleaning the system, the classroom. It should be calculated. The whole system and plus more art integration. You have to create time for art integration, that the leadership has to understand, because it will take more time for children to do a certain assignment, because now these mediums are not just writing it down. So you have to lessen the load. Otherwise, it will backfire, because art integration will not happen properly, and they'll get overstressed, and it will reflect in the child. Okay. So these are the different fields, from biology to computer sciences, psychology, film, music, photography. There's so many different fields in the world, and these are only a few. So naturally, we need more disciplines, and we need more mediums and more techniques, so that we can even understand or evaluate these things in a child, right? If they're good for it. These are some references which I'll share with you later. I'll share the document with Milestone, and they will be sharing with you the final the presentation. Okay, and you can reach out to me, and let's start integrating together, and let's start integrate learning together. So my website is called gauravjuyal.com. Most of my IDs, whether it's Instagram, which is gauravjuyal.official, whether it's Facebook, which is gaurav.p.juyal, or my email address, which is talk@gauravjuyal.com. Feel free to reach out to me. And you can also see what kind of work I'm doing through social media and my website. So I'm also, art integration is one aspect of what I do. And I also am doing many other things. So yes, I would love to have